between squeezing in time for the gym and fighting off those stress induced cravings, it's tough to stick with a healthy lifestyle. So instead of focusing on sparing of everything that's bad, why not focus on adding more healthy options into your life? There are a few categories of food I make sure to eat daily for a healthy and well balanced diet. In this video, I'm giving you some nutrient packed inspiration by sharing some yummy and nutritious food you could start eating every day. On this note, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first category is antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for the survival of all living things. So basically, antioxidants are nothing but the molecules that fight bacteria in our body. Fruits and berries are good sources of antioxidants. Along with being a huge source of antioxidants, fruits do have multiple benefits. Banana boosts energy, grapes relaxes blood vessels, pineapple relieve arthritis pain, watermelon promotes weight loss, orange protects skin and vision, apple help resist infection. Blueberry reduces belly fat, promotes eye health and aids digestion. Raspberry helps with anti-aging and maintains bone health. Cranberry is high in fiber and prevents tooth decay and has anti-inflammatory properties which treats urinary tract infections. Blackberry is a source of potassium and maintains hair health. Strawberry contains vitamin C and aids in weight management, maintains healthy skin and is good for heart health. Protein is crucial to good health. As we all know, proteins are the building blocks of our cells. They are also essential for maintaining growth, repairing tissue, keeping our immunity in top shape, maintaining our blood volume, and are an essential part of almost every hormone. Paneer is a good choice for protein, especially in a vegetarian diet. With a biological value of protein being 80 to 86%, it contains all the 9 essential amino acids and is a rich source of calcium and phosphorus as well. Another choice of proteins is tofu, especially for those who follow vegan lifestyle. It is high in protein and contains all of the essential amino acids your body needs. It also provides fats, carbs, and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. For people who are cutting down on meat consumption, a dish of chickpeas and rice can contribute a significant amount of protein to the diet. A cup of chickpeas provides almost one-third of an adult's daily protein needs. They also contain several key vitamins and minerals which is necessary for bone, muscle and skin health. The nutrients in chickpeas may also help prevent a number of health conditions. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria needed for a healthy gut. It provides all sorts of powerful benefits to our body and brain. Having the right gut bacteria is very important, and it also helps in weight loss, improves digestion, enhances immune function, maintains healthy skin, and reduces risk of many other diseases. Yogurt is one of the best source of probiotics, which are friendly bacteria that can improve your health. Why to compromise on taste when you have multiple flavors of yogurt available in the market? Do try them, they're definitely super yummy. I especially love their Greek yogurt, which helps me in maintaining my low-fat diet without compromising on probiotics. Another option for probiotics is buttermilk. Buttermilk is low in fat and calories but contains several important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, riboflavin, calcium, and phosphorus. Green leafy vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber but are low in calories. Eating a diet which is rich in leafy greens can offer many health benefits, such as low risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and mental decline. Fortunately, many leafy greens can be found year round, and they can be easily incorporated into your meals in surprising and diverse ways. Spinach is a popular leafy green vegetable and is easily incorporated into a variety of recipes, including soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its nutrient profile is quite impressive. Raw spinach contains vitamin K, vitamin A, and manganese as well. Cup of raw broccoli provides 116% of your daily vitamin K needs and 135% of the daily vitamin C requirements, and a good amount of folate, manganese, and potassium as well. It contains a compound that may prevent cancer growth. Eating broccoli may also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases by protecting against oxidative stress. Cabbage have cancer protective properties, especially against lung and esophageal cancer. Your body needs calcium in order to circulate blood, move muscles, and release hormones. Calcium also helps carry messages from your brain to other parts of your body. Calcium is a major part of tooth and bone health as well. It makes your bones stronger and denser. Your body doesn't produce calcium, so you have to rely on your diet to get the calcium you need. And if you don't get enough calcium in your diet, your body will take it from your bones. Dairy products are the best sources of calcium, and calcium is the main mineral in bones. Dairy provides a large percentage of people's calcium requirements. If you are lactose intolerant, then you can opt for completely plant-based milks like oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk, almond milk, and coconut milk. Sesame seeds are the tiny nutritional powerhouses. They are loaded with calcium, copper, iron, and manganese as well. Omega-3 fatty acids have various benefits for your body and for your brain. Walnuts are very nutritious as they are loaded with fiber and contains good fats such as monosaturated and omega-3 fats. They also contain high amount of copper, manganese, vitamin E as well as important plant compounds. Flax seeds are by far the richest whole food source of omega-3 fats. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and are incredibly nutritious as they are rich in manganese, selenium, magnesium and few other nutrients. So these were the 6 categories which you should inculcate in your daily diet. Along with it, you can also have almonds, cashews, pistachios and peanuts for that extra benefit, as they are powerhouse of vitamins, minerals and other beneficial nutrients. What about you? Are there any foods you like to have daily? Let me know in the comments below. And you know what else to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Toodles!